Most figure drawings go wrong in the first few lines. Let me show you how to fix that using one centre line and one simple midpoint. Today we're focusing on getting standing figures right by locking in the proportions early. I'll start with 3 quick rough sketches and choose the one that best explains the idea. From there we'll place the centre line, use the head as a unit of measure, mark the midway point at the crotch, and establish the angle of the shoulders and hips. Once those checkpoints are in, the whole figure becomes easier to build. Okay, so here we've got a standing figure, back view, and I simply place the head unit. There's about 7 heads to an adult person, so that helps very much by using the head as a unit of measure. And the midway point is the vital helper here, because it's exactly half of the body ends up at the crotch, and so your legs about equal to the upper torso. So with this figure, she's bearing her weight on her right leg, and the other leg is the balancing leg. So already I'm happy that the basic proportions are pretty right. Of course, there will be little adjustments here and there as you get into the drawing, but the basic proportions are just right, and that makes it a lot easier. So this is the case with all these drawings, that we establish the size of the head, we establish the angle of the shoulders. If the shoulders are opposite the angle of the one at the waist. So if she's standing on one leg, bearing weight on one leg, that angle of the hips will be up, will be raised, and the angle of the shoulders will be opposite. These things are just so easy to learn. That's just a basic principle. So you'll watch in all cases, that's how it will be. This next drawing is a 3/4 back view, and the same principle lies. So if the first drawing was a back view, the 3/4 back view, in this drawing, her left leg will be much more relaxed, and her weight will be borne by that her right leg. So I'll come back at the end and discuss this a bit further. Please like and subscribe to the channel if this helps you, and I'll talk to you about this at the end. Thanks very much, and please enjoy. Alright, that's the finished figure. You can see how much easier everything becomes once the centre line is in. The head units are measured, the midway point is marked, the angle of the shoulders and hips is set. Keep practicing those simple checkpoints. They make the whole drawing fall into place. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. Thanks for drawing with me today.